How to clean AC air filter. Regular usage of AC, dust gets deposited in filter that may cause of low cooling. So let's clean air filter step by step. At first, turn off the AC power and unplug the power cord before clean the air filter. There are two types of disassemble the filter. It can be different from model to model. Use two hands at front side and pull it with both the hands. Hold the knob of air filter, lift it up slightly. Need to be careful while filter disassembling. After taking out the air filter, clean it with water and soft brush. Fully dry the air filter and avoid it from direct sunlight. Reinsert the air filter and close the front panel. Check if the outdoor unit surface is dirty. Clean the panel surface with cotton cloth. To enhance product performance, perform this activity twice a month. For more information, contact us 0806 937 9999 or WhatsApp us 97117 09999.